Hello everyone, today's math challenge is about three doors problem. This is a very classic math question about two different prices behind three closed doors. If you have not seen it, please stay with this video as it is something truly mind-blowing. Firstly, let's set up the scene. So you have attended a quiz show and performed extremely well and become the ultimate winner. Instead of giving you the prize money straight away, the host of the quiz show invites you to a big stage where you can see three closed doors. And the host tells you there are different prizes behind these doors, and one of them has got a new luxury car behind it, and the other two doors have got one goat behind each. And which prize you will win depends on which door you will select at the end. So at the beginning, the host asks you to make your initial choice and you just randomly select one of the three doors. And instead of opening that door to tell you what prize you have won, the host will open one of the other two doors to tell you, look, there is a goat behind this. Because there are two doors with gold behind, so no matter which door you select initially, there must be one door with the gold behind, and the host knows exactly which prize is behind which door. So they can always open the door to show you there's gold behind this. So now is the critical moment. The host will ask you, after seeing this open door, will you stick with your original choice or you want to switch to the other unopened door? So here, please spend the time to think about it if you are in that situation. The key question is, by switching the door, whether it will increase the probability for you to win the big prize. Okay, please pause the video here and come back for the answer. I'm sure many people will hesitate at this point. After seeing this open door, there are still two doors left and the car is behind one of them. So it seems whether you stick with your original choice or you switch to the other door, the probability of winning that car is just like a 50-50 case. Actually, by switching the door, it will make a big difference. Okay, let's have a look at the answer. So if you stick with the original choice, the winning chance will be 1/3, because initially there are three doors and you just randomly choose one of them, so the winning chance is 1/3. And by seeing the open door later on will not change its winning chance, it's still 1/3, okay? However, if you switch the door, the winning chance will become 2/3 actually. It is a bit like initially you are allowed to select two doors instead of one, and the winning chance will be 2/3. In another word, as long as you did not select the door with the car behind, and by switching the door at a later stage, you will definitely be able to win that car. So the winning probability is 2/3 instead of 1/3. You should definitely go for the switching door option. So if you still don't trust me, maybe you can just do a real experiment using 3 playing cards, 1 red and 2 black. So this red card represents the luxury car and the 2 black cards represent 2 golds. And you just place these cards on the table facing down and ask your family member or friends to come here to make a choice. After they have made the initial choice, you just open one of the other 2 cards to show this is a black card, because you know exactly which is which. Okay, and then you can ask them whether they will stick with the original choice or like to switch to the other card. After you have attempted this for about 20 times, you will see a big difference in the outcome. And hopefully you will be convinced at this point. Okay, thank you very much.